Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on your Kohls account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Kohls official website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed forward by entering your email address and your account password to log in. Once you are logged in and taken into your home page, if you wish to add a payment method, click on your user ID at the top right corner once again. You will then be taken into your profile page, from which you can click on account settings at the top left corner. And now you will see the payment methods tab. Go ahead and click on it and you will see the add payment method button. Click on this button and you can now enter your credentials. Type in your credit or your debit card number and then enter the name on your card. Finally, enter the expiration date, the month and the year, and choose whether this is going to be your primary payment method. After entering all of these information, click on the save button and your payment method will be added onto your account right away. You can now use this method in order to complete your transactions. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your Kohls account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.